How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix FACEIT AC won't start on Windows 11. So there's only one main reason why this is happening, and that's because of the TPM 2.0. So basically, it's a safety mechanism. It's a safety mechanism for the application to go ahead and prevent hackers from cheating on FACEIT. So there's a lot of motherboard brands out there. We cannot go ahead and enable it directly onto our Windows, but instead on the mother's BIOS. So let's use Asus as the main example. So let's type something like Asus how to enable TPM 2.0, and then let's head over to something like images, and from here we'll go ahead and get these options right here. So you just want to make sure to enable the TPM 2.0. There's a lot of options regarding that. And if you have something like MSI, you could just go ahead and simply search for it, because once again, there's a lot of it on right here. So in MSI, which is the motherboard that I'm using, it's going to be the TPM device selection, and you want to set it to PTT. So once again, there's a lot of motherboard brands out there, so you just want to navigate through the official instructions from the manufacturer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.